Dear boys and girls, my arrangement tonight is noun clause, complement to an adjective or complement of an adjective. Then first of all, let us know what is the function of adjective. The function of adjective is to suggest or indicate the qualities of either a noun or a pronoun. That means an adjective qualifies either a noun or a pronoun. So, when a clause acts as an adjective, automatically it is called a noun clause. Okay? Now, let us discuss the matter with some examples. Let us take the first example. You may write down as you usually do. First sentence, she was sure that I was going to attend the interview. So sure is an adjective, remember, and the principal clause ends with an adjective. So number one, she is sure, principal clause. Number two, that I was going to attend the interview, subordinate noun clause. And it completes the meaning of the adjective sure. So complement to the adjective sure in clause number 1. Let us take another example. I am confident that India is going to discover the vaccine of coronavirus. I am confident that India is going to discover the vaccine of coronavirus. Then you know that confident is an adjective, so principal clause ends with adjective. Now please write down, I am confident, principal clause. Number 2, that India is going to discover the vaccine of coronavirus, subordinate noun clause. And complement to the adjective confident. So the meaning of confident is being completed by the clause that India is going to discover the vaccine of coronavirus. So it is acting as the clause which is a noun clause. Number 3, another example. It is certain that the planet is greatly disturbed by environmental pollution. It is certain that this planet is greatly disturbed by environmental pollution. So you know that certain is an adjective. It is certain, principal clause. Number 2, that this planet is greatly disturbed by environmental pollution, subordinate noun clause. Why is it noun clause? Because it is completing the meaning of the adjective certain in principal clause. So complement to the adjective certain in clause number 1. Let us take another example. I am sorry that I didn't get back to you in your distress. I am sorry that I didn't get back to you in your distress. So sorry is an adjective. The principal clause ends with an adjective, that is sorry. Number 1, I am sorry, principal clause. Number 2, that I didn't get back to you in your distress, subordinate noun clause. And complement to the adjective sorry, because the meaning of sorry is being completed by the clause that I didn't get back to you in your distress. Clear? Let us take another example. I am glad that you have obtained the highest marks in all subjects. I am glad that you have obtained the highest marks in all subjects. So glad is an adjective. I am glad, principal clause, that you have obtained the highest marks in all the subjects, subordinate noun clause, and complement to the adjective glad. In all the cases, you see that the principal clause ends with an adjective and the meaning of the adjective is being completed by a clause, and that is noun clause. Why is it noun clause? Because it is acting as the noun. It is acting as the noun. Okay? Now let us conclude that in the case of complement to an adjective, the principal clause must end with an adjective, and the meaning of the adjective will be completed by a clause that is called noun clause. And let us end here, and this is the end of my lecture on noun clause, complement to an adjective. Okay? Thanking all of you. Good night to all.